Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change password for Valorant. And to do this you'll need to change the password for your Riot Games account, and there's two ways to do it. The first one is when you're logged in, you'll be able to pick a new password in your account settings right here. You can scroll down and here's your nickname and the password. Enter your current password, enter a new password and then confirm it. Click on Save Changes and the password should be set. Now in case you forgot your own password, you will need to basically click on Can't Sign In. This will open a website like that, and here we want to click Forgot Password. Enter your username and pick which server your Riot account is made for, and then proceed, and you should be able to change the password if you have the email address access. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.